Hello YouTube. Today it is the 16th of November and we are looking at step index on a daily time frame. We have retraced all the way up back to the daily wick consequent enroachment, and this is a highly sensitive key PD array. Okay, if we are continuing with our bearish market tone, then the wick consequent enrichment, the 50% of that wick above it should not be traded. Price should just remain below the 50%. If it remains below the 50%, that means that price can continue being bearish. That means we can assume a bearish bias for the next following day. Okay, so that is teaching you order flow. The same way that we treated the first favorable gap of November, which was printed on the 5th of November, that inefficiency was respected in the mid-month of November. That is the 14th of November. That's when I dropped that particular video showing you the key ICT kill zones that you can use to participate in the marketplace when you have order flow tipping its hand to you, showing you that there is this particular key level that I am respecting. Okay, so we are applying the very same phenomena on step index. So we are using this daily wick consequent enrichment. If we want to continue being bearish, then step index needs to remain below that daily wick consequent enrichment. Okay, that's it. That's order flow. We would be using that framework to determine a particular bias that is already in the works. Okay, the mid-month, which is right here on the 14th, has already tipped its hand. It's already showed you that it wants to go lower. Okay, so we'll be working with that bias going lower. So these are the kind of things that I'm looking for that signal to me that we need to go somewhere within a particular bias or direction. So when I have that signature from the higher time frames, that is when I go into my lower time frames and I wait for my entry technique. Okay, so my entry techniques, I do them on the lower time frames. Obviously that is hinged on time itself. It's either I'm entering in London. If I'm stopped out, I'm done for the day. If I did not find a suitable entry in London session, then I will wait for New York session. If I don't find a trade in the New York session, then I will wait for the PM session, the last session for the day.